Hi everybody, welcome to Ecodriver. My name is Helmut. Today we do an electric range test with the Peugeot 308 plug-in hybrid, and this car is the 132 kilowatt engine with 81 kilowatts electric motor. We have a 12.4 kilowatt hour traction battery, and the unladen weight is 1,649 kilograms or 3,628 pounds. WLTP range is given with 58 to 60 kilometers. That's around 35 miles, 36 miles. And the car tells me an electric range of 46 kilometers. So we'll see where we end up with this kind of battery, with the weight of the car and the aerodynamic shape of the car. I think we should be able to get to 60 kilometers. Don't forget, there will be a second test with this car. It will be the fuel consumption test on the Ecodriver loop with empty battery. I'll do this test after this one, and you'll find the link to the other video at the end of this video or in the description box below. So apart from that, I've set it to electric. There's nothing else I can do, and yeah, we'll see how far we come. I hope you enjoy this. We have tremendous weather today, and I'll talk to you later. Well, a quick update. You see here we have 27 kilometers covered and 22 kilometers left of electric range. I don't know how the Peugeot hybrid system or the battery empties towards the end. I've had a case where I was driving 5 kilometers with 0 remaining range. So we'll see how it works out at the end. One thing I noticed right from the beginning is with this car the generatoric capacity or ability of the electric motor is limited. It's if you hit the brake pedal a little bit stronger, not even strong braking, just average braking, then you come to the limits of the charging. You see here on just next to the power percentage, the green charge, and when you're on the brakes, you reach the end rather quickly. So you need to, or with this car, it's recommended to really look forward, to read the road, and try to avoid harsh braking. I will show you here. It's going down here, and then we turn right, and I'm just braking normally, and I'm just maintaining the speed of 55, 54, and I'm almost reaching the end or the limits of the charging ability. So you need to look ahead and try to anticipate what other road users are doing. And yeah, we'll see how far we come at the end. We have now shown a remaining EV distance of 0 kilometers. To be honest, I'm a little bit disappointed or surprised, for a better word, that we only covered 51 kilometers, 31 miles so far. I expected it to be more. The gauge says hybrid already, but the petrol engine hasn't started yet, so let's see how far we can squeeze this battery out. In the central display, which you can't see, it says 14.5 kWh per 100 kilometers for the last hour, and then this allows you to calculate the net capacity of the battery. We are now already over 3 kilometers in electric mode, despite 0 shown as remaining distance. This supports my assumption that there is some reserve capacity in the battery, which allows to cover greater distance as the one shown on the display. Now, after 55 kilometers, the petrol engine kicked in. Well, it's not WLTP, but still 11 kilometers more than the car indicated at the beginning. Now let me turn the car here, as we don't need to drive further on. The electric consumption in the central display is shown with 14.5 kWh per 100 kilometers. Okay, so now we know that. And don't forget to watch the second video with this car, the fuel consumption test with the empty battery. And if you're generally interested in what I'm doing, feel free to subscribe to this channel, and if you hit the notification bell, you won't miss any new video. Thanks for watching, take care, see you next time.